This is an emergency broadcast. This is to ensure public safety. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please remain calm and follow the instructions. An anomaly has been detected in the atmosphere of the Earth. This morning at 5:30 am, strange black metallic objects have been seen hovering over major cities around the world. One of the major ones are as follows: Washington, D.C., Tokyo, Cairo, Mumbai, London, New York, Rio de Janeiro and many more. Authorities are investigating this unusual phenomenon. Scientists have been sent near the spacecraft to further research about them. It has been found that these objects are slightly interfering with radio signals. They are able to slightly interfere with satellite signals as well. Stay calm and hope for the best. God save the King.